Hello all, Nick Calabro here with entrepreneurialefficiency.com, and I want to quickly talk about selling two things at once. So, when are you actually selling two things at once? How do you go about it? What are the kind of things to look out for? Why would you even sell two things at once? Okay, so if you have opinionated software, now when I say opinionated software, I mean software that comes second to a methodology. So a lot of task manager apps might be very opinionated because you already have to be adhering to a certain type of methodology or system for the software to even be effective at all. Okay, you can go into any type of calendar management, task management app, okay, but if you're not already imploring these certain principles of how to structure your day and how to kind of interact with the world in different contexts and different types of trips and whatnot, okay, this app is going to be useless to you. Okay, so the app is truly second. The whole methodology can be done without the app, okay, but the app is just there to help run smoothly, to help your whole process be more effective, okay? Ultimately, the methodology stands on its own, and the app is used after that, once you're already adhering to this methodology. So you can go into the app, okay, you can go into this app without using the methodology, and then kind of pick up the methodology as you go along. That might be fine, okay, but without having any idea whatever this methodology might be beforehand is going to hurt your mind or whatever a little bit down the line. Ultimately, if you are trying to sell this app that you need to have these people familiar with this methodology first, you're going to end up selling two things. You're going to be saying, first of all, guys, this whole new to-do kind of mindset is going to be great for you. Now, once you're on board with that, now here's the app to do it with, okay? You have to sell them on two separate things. You have to sell them on the whole mindset first, get them on board with it, then you have to say, okay, cool, now that you're down with that, here's the app to do it with, okay? So you're really selling two things. And here, when we're trying to sell these different SaaS apps here, okay, we have to go out there and educate a lot of these people. We basically have to lobby for the app to even be effective. Then we have to lobby for, okay, so now that you're on board with it, here's the app, here's the pricing, do you want to do it? They're going to be like, oh, well, actually, you know, we probably should try this out without the app first to make sure that the methodology is even valuable for us. Then maybe we'll try out your app, okay? Now, you might have super strict numbers that say, no, it's going to work, it's going to perform this way, you're going to get this much % of increase in sales, revenue, whatever it might be, whatever it is that you're selling, okay? You know that it's going to happen, then they'd be fools to not jump on, right? Well, again, no, because it's still an unknown territory. They're not familiar with that methodology. So, ultimately, what you have to do is sell the app along with the methodology. Okay, so you're saying, this app is going to do this, 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 and this. Okay, for it to work effectively, you're going to have to do this to your business, okay, underneath this app for it to all run smoothly, okay? You're not selling two things at once. You're selling one thing. It's a bundle deal. They're getting the methodology, and they're getting whatever the app might be, okay? You are fixing all their problems, okay, with one bundled solution that, to them, looks like just an ordinary program, SaaS app, web app, whatever it might be. Okay, all the same thing, ultimately, but whatever kind of nomenclature you're comfortable with. And then, so you're selling that one big bundle of everything. You're solving all their issues in one fell swoop. Now, they're going to have to internally kind of go through this whole process of finding this new methodology, becoming comfortable with it, and then getting used to the app. But as far as your bottom line is concerned, you don't care what they're going through, okay? Their solution is in front of them. Now it's up to them to actually implement, execute on it, and all those good things. However, your job of selling both the dream and the tools to accomplish the dream is done. So ultimately, you're selling the product, you're selling the methodology, you're selling the dream. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Nick Calabro. Now get to work.